Have you ever wondered what happens behind the scenes when you send or receive crypto? Today, I'll take you on a step-by-step journey through how blockchain transactions really work. Simple, clear, and beginner-friendly. Let's dive in. It all begins when someone, like you, wants to send crypto to another person. Maybe you're sending Bitcoin to a friend or paying for something online. Your crypto wallet then creates a digital file containing all the details, the sender's address, the receiver's address, the amount of crypto, and a special message called a digital signature. Next, this transaction is broadcasted to the blockchain network. It's like shouting out to all the computers on the blockchain, "Hey, I want to make this transaction." Before it gets added to the blockchain, it waits in a virtual waiting room called the mempool. Here, thousands of pending transactions sit until they're picked by a miner or validator. Now, miners in proof of work or validators in proof of stake step in to verify the transaction. They check, is the sender's signature valid? Do they really have the crypto they're trying to send? Once verified, the transaction gets bundled with others into a block. This block is then proposed to be added to the blockchain. If everything checks out, the block is officially added to the blockchain. It becomes part of the permanent public record and can't be changed or deleted. Once the block is added, your transaction gets confirmed. Depending on the blockchain, you may need a few confirmations for added security. The receiver now sees the crypto in their wallet. The entire process may take seconds or minutes, depending on the blockchain network and fees. So next time you send crypto, just remember, you're triggering a powerful system of checks, security, and transparency. If this made blockchain clearer, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more simplified blockchain knowledge. See you in the next one.